Hello, friend. Before we start, I want to tell you a secret. Shopping in English is much easier than you think. Yes, even if you know only 10 words. Today, you will learn simple words, simple sentences, and one special shopping sentence that many beginners do not know. But when you learn this special sentence, shopping becomes easy. Very easy. Stay with us until the end, because we will teach it to you there. Welcome to English Talkies, the place where English feels simple, real, and fun. And with me is Emily, a shopping expert, who once went to a store for one t-shirt and came back with 5 jackets.
Haha, maybe. But today is different. Today, we are not shopping. Today, we are helping you learn the easiest shopping English ever. So stay with us, because at the end of this lesson, you will learn that special secret sentence that will help you in every shop. Are you ready? Great! Let us begin.
Here are 5 important words for shopping. Write them down.
Shop.
A place to buy things.
Price.
How much something costs.
Size.
Small, medium, large.
Try on.
To wear something to see if it fits.
Cheap. Expensive.
Cheap means low price. Expensive means high price. Shop.
This shop is nice. I go to the shop. Is this the shop?
Price.
What is the price? The price is 10 euros. Good price.
Size.
What is my size? Small size. Large size.
Try on.
I try on the shirt. Try it on. Can I try this on?
Cheap. Expensive.
This is cheap. This is expensive. Not expensive.
Repeat. Price. Size. Try on. Good job. When you enter a shop, the first word is simple. Hello.
Then the shop worker says, "Can I help you?"
Let us practice. Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, I am looking for a t-shirt.
What size?
Medium, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
The most important question is, how much is this? Repeat. How much is this?
The worker answers, "It is 10 euros. It is 20 euros. Simple.
How much is this t-shirt?
How much is this bag?
How much is this jacket? Repeat. How much is this t-shirt?
How much is this bag?
How much is this jacket? If you want to wear something, say, "Can I try this on?"
The worker says, "Yes, the fitting room is here." Can I try this on?
Yes, of course. The fitting room is over there.
Thank you.
Does it fit?
Yes, it fits. I like it.
2 easy words. Cheap means low price. Expensive means high price.
Examples. This is cheap. This is expensive. Not expensive. Good price.
Again.
This is cheap. This is expensive. Not expensive. Good price.
Before we finish, let us learn more easy shopping words. Very simple words you see every day in shops.
Yes, these words help you understand labels, signs, and products.
Here are 5 new words. Bag,
A thing to carry your items.
cash,
Money you can touch.
card,
Your bank card for painting.
sale,
A time when prices are lower.
discount.
A small price reduction.
Examples.
Bag.
I need a bag. Do you want a bag? This bag is big.
Cash.
I pay with cash. Do you take cash? I do not have cash.
Card.
Can I pay by card? I use my card. My card is here.
Sale.
This shop has a sale. Big sale today. Sale price.
Discount.
Is there a discount? 10% discount. Small discount.
Repeat with me. Bag. Cash. Card. Sale. Discount. Good.
Hello, are you ready to pay?
Yes. How much is it?
It is 15 euros.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Do you have a bag?
Yes, 1 bag.
Thank you.
Now you try. I ask, you answer. How do you pay? Good. You can say, I pay by card, or I pay with cash.
Next question. Do you need a bag? Great. You can say, or, no, thank you.
Colors are very important in shopping.
Yes, and we will learn them slowly.
Repeat after me. Red, blue, black, white, green, yellow.
Examples. I like the red one. Do you have the blue one? This black shirt is nice. White, size small, please.
Now sizes. Small, medium, large. Repeat. Small, medium, large.
Very good. Excuse me, do you have this in blue?
Yes, blue, size medium.
Do you have large?
Yes, we do. Here you are.
Thank you. It is nice.
Let us review everything we learned today. Repeat after me. Bag, cash, card, sale, discount, red, blue, black, white, small, medium, large.
Excellent. You are doing great.
Let us play a small game. I say 2 things. You choose one. Ready? Here we go. T-shirt or jacket. Cheap or expensive. Small or large. Blue or red. Pay with cash or card. If you want, you can write your answers in the comments. We love reading your answers.
Great job! You are improving with every answer.
Polite English is important. Very important. Here are some simple polite phrases. Excuse me? Please. Thank you. You are welcome. Have a nice day.
Examples. Excuse me, where is the fitting room? Please, can I try this on? Thank you so much. You are welcome. Have a nice day.
Repeat them with us. Excuse me. Please. Thank you. You are welcome. Have a nice day. Perfect.
Now let us do a full shopping scene. You, friend, are the customer. Raphael is the worker. I will guide you.
Hello, can I help you? You.
Good. You can say, I am looking for a t-shirt.
What size do you need?
Nice. Say medium, please. Or small, please.
Here you are.
Great. Now say, how much is this?
It is 12 euros.
Good. You can say, can I try it on?
Yes, the fitting room is here.
Now say, it fits. Or, it does not fit.
Would you like to buy it?
Excellent. You completed a real English shopping scene.
Today, you learned real English. Simple English. English you can use right now in any shop.
You learned words, phrases, questions, and answers. You practice dialogues and real situations. This is real progress.
Remember, English becomes easy when you practice small steps every day.
We believe in you. We are proud of you. Thank you for learning with us in English Talkies.
See you in the next episode. Goodbye, friend. Have a great day.
Listen.